Well, greetings and salutations, everyone. Welcome back once again, or for the very first time, to the Farts and Crap Show, where, today I noticed something strange about a, external storage device I was trying to set up on my PS4 Pro. Now, I don't know if you guys have ran into this before, but this was certainly the first time I had seen this. So recently, as a little, to kind of set the stage, I upgraded to a higher capacity thumb drive as a backup for, for backing up files on my PS4 Pro, specifically my save data. Now, I had been using a 32 gigabyte 3.0 thumb drive from PNY for quite some time, and every so often, especially before deleting software, I would go into Application Save Data Management, save data in system storage, and copy to USB storage device. Now, it says there isn't one connected, which I thought was weird, because on this newer one, I formatted it as what I thought was the same file system, NTFS, and copied the same folder system from the previous drive. So I was hoping the PS4 wouldn't, would just treat it like the old one. But yeah, that didn't work. So I tried going into devices and USB storage devices, and it sees it. I did get the flash drive fit because it's USB 3.1. It's pretty fast. And these ones recently got like a price cut, or they were on sale, or both maybe. And so I think I only paid about 15 bucks for it. And then I tried. It's strange because the format is unknown, and right now there's nothing on it. So I tried it, and then it gave me this message, which I'd never seen before. It also says a 250 gigabyte minimum, which I thought was really strange. And USB 3.0 or later, which also is not correct because I've heard of people using USB 2.0 thumb drives for backup files. And granted, it is plugged into a data hub right now, a USB hub, but that's rated at USB 3.0 super speeds. And I've tested it, and it doesn't really bottleneck. It's from Anchor. It's a very good one. And that's what I had my old one hooked up to, and it worked just fine. So what I wanted to try, because I thought, well, maybe NTFS isn't actually supported on the PS4 Pro, and I thought that'd be really strange because it supported on most platforms. But yeah, if you had options, I didn't even notice the options menu down there. It gives you the option format is exFAT, which I always get exFAT and FAT32 confused. But exFAT is the one that allows for files larger than 4 gigabytes. So I thought that might be fine. I prefer NTFS because it's more stable. But sure, let's do exFAT and then format. And yes, I guess it worked. Huh. Strange. So let's say USB storage devices. Stop using format as extended storage. Can I do this? No. To install applications. Okay, but it is formatted. So my question is, can we at least say backup save data? And sure, taking a minute. I mean, I'm hoping. I hope it will. Should be able to. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. There's my save data. What is that? Non-installed application. Oh, the open beta for Guilty Gear. Yeah, okay. Okay, but can we use the media player app now? Hopefully. Hey, flash drive fit. No playable media. Okay, cool. That's good. Okay, so now we should be able to play music from it, backup saves, and essentially do everything except install games to it, which is fine because it's only 128 gigabytes and that's not what that's for. I mainly wanted to be able to use it for those applications and backup a couple of other files in the file system. So, yeah. I guess that's it, folks. Extended storage, as defined by the PS4, is pretty much that. Like, in order to install games to it, you want to do that. However, if you're just using a thumb drive, that's like 3.0 or even like 3.1, which should be decently fast. It's not going to be as fast as something like a SATA 3 like internal hard drive, like I was talking about in the best SSD for the PS4 Pro. At best, I mean, this will probably be faster than the old one. And like I said, going from 32 gigabytes to 128 gigabytes is pretty huge. You should also be able to back up. Actually, create a backup. So if you go to System and Backup and Restore and Backup PS4, yeah, that's fine, doesn't matter. Alright. So it should let us... just anything that's like huge. Those are megabytes, gigabytes, 17, that should be fine. And 27, so now I guess 14, 35, yeah, that's confirm. Okay. Yeah, so it'll let us do that. Okay. But I mean, this isn't the kind of thing that... I mean, I still have my old backup, so I don't really care about all that. And I'm not concerned about actually backing up any applications. It's mostly in settings and stuff and captures. Like, I don't really care about most of these. As long as you can get back into your account, you can reconfigure this kind of thing. For me, the most important thing is my save data. So, plus this is a much faster way to just like back up like your progress and all that. And sure, you can rely on cloud storage. I recommend also doing this from time to time. Because PlayStation Plus, yeah, you get cloud saves, but how often does it sync? If it can't connect, like, is it going to tell you? And what if your PS Plus expires? You know, that sort of thing. So I prefer to do it this way. So I'm just going to back up all of my applications, which including applications I haven't reinstalled yet. And I'll just show you guys how long this will take. Probably not super long, but it might take a couple minutes. So I'm going to end the episode after it gives us an estimate, unless it's super fast. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video for you guys, so I guess it's not really an episode. I'm just used to saying that because for the most part, you make series of things here on the Farts and Crap Show. So yeah, that's not bad actually for 300 applications, like less than 5 minutes. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. But yeah, if you just do this every so often, because again, with like cloud saves, I don't think it backs up applications that are not installed at the moment. But for the most part, if you do it this way, it'll hold on to your save data even for things that like you've bought in the past but is not currently installed due to like storage limitations, because not everybody can get like a 4 terabyte like SSD to have like all their games installed, and for some people that's not going to be all their games. So but yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. I greatly appreciate it. If this helped, let me know. What do you guys think? Should NTFS file system be supported on PS4 Pro? I definitely think it should. And all that good stuff. Like, what do you rely on cloud saves? Do you do this frequently? Also, as a quick final note to those of you who didn't know, and to those of you who wait to the end of the video, because there might be some bonus content. You're right. So some people are unaware that you can also just play your own music while playing your games on PS4 and actually on Vita as well. But yeah, so if you have a folder labeled like music in the root of your file system like this, and it might not be there by default, so just create it. Yeah, you can just like go in. I don't know if you have to use Media Player, but you might have to. But it used to be accessible. I think it's still accessible in the quick menu. So if you just like press and hold the PlayStation button, then go to music, there will be like Spotify there by default, but it will also be music that you've played recently. It's a feature I honestly don't use that much because I don't, if I'm not recording or streaming gameplay, I'm playing it to like while multitasking, while doing other stuff. So I'm never just listening to music, if that makes sense. Like if I'm listening to music and playing video games, those are the only two things I'm doing. Like I'm not doing a third thing typically. I might have a third thing going in the background, like uploading a video, or like reading something possibly, but not, yeah, no. Something that's like completely hands-off, like uploading a video, but or running like a system scan on my PC or something like that. Installing something, you know, waiting for something to do something. But yeah, that's pretty much it. After you have it formatted, just go ahead and, you know, pop it out of the PS4, put it back in your PC, drag and drop any files you want to have on there. Like if you're using it as a streaming box, for example. Like videos, movies, episodes of stuff, you can just put in a folder, play it through media player, or music, put it in a music folder, play it while you're playing your games on mute or something. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think you can use images from your as well for like custom themes. I think they added that at one point in the firmware. Did they do that? You can select. I think music, you still have to go the default one. Function area, yeah. So you can't like do your own custom music, but a USB storage device. There we go. Create folder, name images at the top directory of the USB storage device, then copy files here. And you can select an image up to 4K. So if you want to do something like... It's not the most recent one. Where's the most... Oh no, I was thinking that was the most recent one, right? Because they took like... I was playing around with the photo mode in Horizon Zero Dawn a little while ago. That looks good. Enjoy golf. Is that a real game? I guess so. Why would they spoof it? I guess. Doesn't really make as much sense. And you can zoom over different like stuff. That's kind of cool. But anyways, yeah, you can't do like custom music as far as I know. Which is kinda lame. But it's fine. Anyway, just want to make a video about that, about like extended storage and the various things that you can do with that, and also addressing that error that I've never seen before, but I thought it was interesting, so I thought I'd make a video on it, see if anybody else ran into that problem, and yeah, so leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this video, anything I mentioned, really. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. Many thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.